everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as we know, Diwali is just day after tomorrow, and in this video we are going to make this beautiful bandarwar for Diwali decoration. This beautiful decor is made using waste items. So let's get started. So the first thing is this: take some wool and wrap around your 3 fingers because we are going to make pom-pom with these. And now cut all the joints as showing. And the pom-pom is ready. And similarly, I have created so many pom-poms such like this. And now keep them aside and take a piece of plastic leaf. You can cut your own plastic leaf by taking any plastic sheet or any plastic bottle, and now start applying glue on the whole leaf. And now take some glitter powder and spread all over the leaf. And after drawing, I have created some lines using golden glitter powder, and also you can go with gold glitter tube. It will also work very good. And now insert any type of thread. I am using wool on the whole things. Similarly, I have created 7 leaves. Also, you can increase or decrease the number of leaves as per the size of your door. एंड नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक लटकन्स. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले मैंने लिए हैं ये कुछ बीड्स एंड रिंग. ये मार्केट में इजीली मिल जाते हैं. इनको आप ले लीजिए एंड आप इनको वूल में नीडल की हेल्प से कुछ इस तरह से पो दीजिए. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन गो विथ रेडीमेड लटकन्स विच आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. And after completing, tie 2 knots, one on the bottom and one on the top. And similarly, I have created 7 latkans. And now take back your pom-poms and arrange them as showing here. After completing, it will look like this. And now take your latkans and arrange them. I'm arranging like 1 latkan and 1 leaf, then 1 latkan, then 1 leaf. You can arrange them as you like. And similarly do on the whole. After completing, it will look like this, and our beautiful bandarwar is completely ready. I hope you guys like this beautiful bandarwar. If yes, then please make sure to subscribe my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can try this one bandarwar, and comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.